how to allow or don't allow changes to media in Apple Music Access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings, and from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then in here, go to the Privacy section and scroll down. Next, tap on Media in Apple Music. And from the list here, you can choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. Here say Disallowing Changes locks the settings below and prevents new apps from accessing Apple Music and using your media library. So here, select an option. When you tap on an option to make a change, it may ask you to enter a screen time passcode. So do so if it asks you, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.